Browse Botswana. Discover, connect, experience Botswana. This is Lily's petting farm in Oodi. You get there, ample parking space, open space, a simple welcome sign, and you're in. At the entrance, you're tagged. You pay 70 pula for adults, 75 pula for kids, and honestly, it is worth it. The first thing you notice, the space. It is green, really green, with lots of trees, and I love trees. Shade everywhere, and the weather on this day, it was very cool and breezy. And then you start to hear the birds. There were nests in the trees, and you could hear the chirping all around. That kind of environment where even the birds feel safe enough to stay. Families already settled in, cooler boxes open, camp chairs out, and yes, you can bring your own food, stay as long as you want, and make it your day. To the right of the entrance, that's where everything starts for the kids. The animals and the excitement is very immediate. They weren't just looking, they were fully in it, touching, feeding, and laughing. We started with hamsters, then ducks, then goats, and then there were even more sheep, pigs, rabbits, horses, a cow, pigeons, a peacock, turkeys, and so many different types of chickens. What I appreciated, it's clean. There is no overwhelming smell, and there are little signs showing what we get from each animal: milk, eggs, meat. At the back of the farm, there are donkeys which you can ride. You can also sit on the cart if you don't feel like riding, and also take a few pictures. And everything else opens up: a play area, swings, slides, a mini golf course, a maze where I got lost properly, a jumping castle, and a pool. Big blue pool. In terms of the extras, in order to get a pony ride, you pay 25 pula, and a ride on the donkey cart is 20 pula, and paddle boats are 10 pula. What stayed with me was the kids. They were free, guided, but not controlled. They explored, they led, they became part of it, and by the end, they didn't want to leave. There's movement everywhere, although you can't really see it in this video. Scooters, sand play, little details like the bunny board and the wanted sign. 10,000 pula for being cute. Actually, I think they owe us money. There is an adult corner, or rather, where you can get your drinks and your cocktails, and where one can also braai. See you next time, where we discover, connect, and experience Botswana together.